How to hide your following list on TikTok on both iPhone or Android devices. Welcome back to another TikTok tutorial video, everyone. If you don't want other people who come to your profile to see your following list or the accounts that you follow on TikTok, then I'll show you a little trick on how you can make that list private and only visible to you. By doing this, your following list will be hidden and no one will be able to see who you're following on TikTok. We'll open the TikTok application on our device and then go over to your profile by tapping here. Now you'll want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and after that, you'll want to open the Settings and Privacy option. After doing this, select the Privacy section right here, and then go a little bit down to the bottom of the page until you see an option called Following List. As you can see, mine was set to Everyone, which means that anybody who opens my TikTok profile can see my following list and the accounts which I follow. So you can set this to Only Me, and your list will now be hidden from other people. Only you can click on the list and see who you're following, and the list will be private for anybody else that tries to open it. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you soon.